synthase. What is that enzyme called? Citrate synthase. And a molecule of coenzyme A is released. Citrate then is isomerized to isocitrate. Now let me show you that cyclic form. Okay, you can see the link reaction here. Acetyl coenzyme A, which is formed from pyruvate by using reducing power agent and by losing CO2 by accepting coenzyme A. Okay, now oxaloacetic acid, which will be converted into citric acid. Citric acid, by losing one CO2 molecule, okay, with reducing power agents, it will be converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid. Alpha ketoglutaric acid, by losing one CO2, so now it has 5 molecules of carbons in the alpha ketoglutaric acid. It loses one more carbon and will be converted into succinic acid, which is a 4 carbon compound. Here NAD will be converted into NADH plus H plus. It is a reducing power agent. And here GDP, nothing but okay, GDP, which will be converted into GDP, guanosine diphosphate. What is G stands for? Guanosine diphosphate. This guanosine diphosphate, by accepting one phosphate molecule, converted into guanosine triphosphate, which is another form of energy currency of the cell. Energy currency of the cell that helps in the storage of energy. Now succinic acid, which is a 4 carbon compound, by utilizing reducing power agents like FAD plus, okay, into FADH2, it will be converted into malic acid. It will be converted into malic acid. Malic acid is a 4 carbon compound, which will undergo for further reactions by NAD reducing power agent, okay, which will be converted into oxaloacetic acid, which is a 4 carbon compound. This cyclic pathway was explained by Sir Hans Cracker. In the remaining steps, citric acid cycle, succinyl coenzyme A, what is that? Succinyl coenzyme A is oxidized to oxaloacetic acid. Okay, we have seen that step. Okay, during the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinic acid, a molecule of GTP, guanosine triphosphate, is synthesized. This is a substrate level phosphorylation. What is that? Substrate itself undergoes for phosphorylation. Finally, in couple of reaction, GTP, which will be converted into GDP, and with simultaneous synthesis of ATP, with the simultaneous synthesis of ATP from ADP. Okay, sequentially when the GTP is being prepared, okay, simultaneous synthesis of ADP also being done, act as a energy currency of the cells. Also there are 3 major points in the cycle where you have to remember. NAD plus is reduced to NADH plus H plus, act as a reduction power agent, and whereas flavin adenosine dinucleotide is also a reduction power agent, which will be converted into FADH2 after the reduction reactions. The continued oxidation of acetyl coenzyme A by tricarboxylic acid cycle required continuous replenishment of oxaloacetic acid is required, okay, which is the first member of the cycle. In addition, it is also required regeneration of NAD, regeneration of FAD, etc. act as a reduction power agents. In the reaction, we can see the pyruvic acid plus 4 NAD molecules we have seen in the cycle and 1 FAD molecule, flavin adenosine dinucleotide, plus 2 molecules of water plus ADP plus phosphate. In the presence of mitochondrial matrix, 3 CO2 plus 4 NADH2. Why? Because NAD plus will be reduced to NADH2. Okay, plus FAD. Only one FAD will be reduced to FADH2. That is mentioned there, and plus, okay, and energy currency ADP plus phosphate. How many ATP molecules will be produced here? One ATP molecule will be produced. All these reactions are occurring in the mitochondrial matrix. Understood, everyone? We have till now seen that glucose has been broken down to release CO2 plus 8 molecules of NADH. Okay, NADH2 and 2 molecules of FADH2. Why? Because cycle will repeat 2 times. Just 2 molecules of ATP. Okay, in a tricarboxylic acid cycle. Understood, everyone? And apart from this, next, if you carefully observe, let us understand the role of oxygen in the respiration, how ATP is synthesized. Remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Until stay